name is Dave Kiesel. I'm the manager of the Powertrain Performance Department here at Infiniti. My responsibility is engine and transmission tuning. My group, we both calibrate, evaluate, and test, so we kind of do all three. So on the calibration side, we tune the engines and transmissions to make them both powerful and comfortable. And then we'll actually test it both here at Arizona Test Center and also on public roads. The all-new QX60 has a very direct and linear acceleration feel. It gives the driver confidence to not only increase their standing start, but also passing in like the freeway and in the city scenes. You just step on the pedal, it downshifts, and you go. The all-new 9-speed AT has a lot of benefits for the customer. It has a larger ratio spread, almost 10 to 1. This gives the customer the ability to have a standing start performance that is confident and responsive. And then the corollary of that is also that you maintain your fuel economy on the freeway. The transmission is able to pick the exact gear that the driver wants. When they tip into the throttle, they get an immediate downshift response, and it puts the vehicle in the exact gear for that exact scene. In sports mode, the transmission will actually simulate a heel-to-toe, like a race car type response, where it matches the engine's RPM to the drive load and basically makes it much smoother, much more responsive on the reacceleration. One of the things that we do is we will hold gears longer in that sportier driving scene. It'll downshift, provide that engine braking, but also hold that gear so that you can actually accelerate faster coming out of the turn. The 9AT should inspire confidence throughout the whole driving experience.